Hi, this video is going to be on the theme of love in Much Ado About Nothing. Now, many different types of love are explored in the play, one of these of course being romantic love, and we can see this through Benedick and Beatrice. So at the beginning of the play, of course, they're denying their feelings for one another. They're making their views on marriage clear, with of course Benedick talking about cuckoldry with his friends, and of course this foreshadows that they will later fall in love. And despite them initially denying their feelings, their love is perhaps implied to be more true and more real than that of Claudio and Hero's. So Claudio implies that he falls in love with Hero at first sight, and this implies that their love is more superficial, especially because Hero is considered to be an idealized version of an Elizabethan woman, so he doesn't really know the real Hero. And of course we have other types of love explored in the play. So we see parental love through Leonato and Hero, but although of course Leonato loves his daughter, the love is implied to be patriarchal and conditional. So Leonato makes decisions on behalf of Hero. Of course we see this through him deciding that Claudio is going to marry Hero despite him being very cruel to her. And of course this for Hero means that we, the audience, don't really know her real feelings towards Claudio, because we're not really given that insight. She just goes along with what is arranged for her. So hopefully you can see how the theme of love plays itself out in the play. Thanks for listening.